Difference between long and tall. Long describes the horizontal extent of an object. Example: long road. The long journey by train took us across the country. The long novel took several weeks to finish. The long river wound its way through the mountains. The long rope was perfect for the climbing expedition. The long queue at the ticket counter made me reconsider my plans. The cat has a long tail that it swishes back and forth. The long walk through the park was refreshing. The long bridge spanned the wide river, connecting two cities. Rapunzel has long, golden hair. Tall describes the vertical height of an object. Example: tall building. The tall tree provided ample shade in the summer. The giraffe is known for its tall neck. She wore tall boots that reached her knees. The tall mountain peaks were covered in snow. The tall hat made her look elegant. The tall candles on the table created a romantic atmosphere. The tall wave crashed dramatically against the shore. The tall pine trees lined the driveway. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.